Iron is the 26th element in the periodic table and a transition metal located in group 8. Its atomic number is 26, meaning its nucleus contains 26 protons, and its electrons occupy the configuration argon 3d6 4s2. At room temperature, iron is a dense, strong metal that commonly forms compounds in the +2 and +3 oxidation states. Iron is one of the most abundant elements in the universe and plays a central role in planetary cores, including the core of Earth. Iron also marks a major turning point in stellar physics. Inside stars, nuclear fusion reactions combine lighter elements into heavier ones, releasing energy that supports the star against gravity. This process continues through many stages until iron begins to accumulate in the core of massive stars. Iron is special because fusing elements into iron releases energy, but trying to fuse elements beyond iron requires energy instead of producing it. When a massive star develops an iron core, fusion can no longer support the star. Gravity then causes the core to collapse, triggering the supernova explosion that creates and spreads many heavier elements throughout the universe.